In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Pinterest. If you want to connect with someone on Pinterest so you can see their public boards, pins, and activity, the process is simple and only takes a moment. Whether you're using the Pinterest app on your phone or the Pinterest website on a computer, the overall steps are basically the same. To begin, open the Pinterest app or go to the Pinterest website in your browser, then log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're on the home screen, look for the search icon. This is usually shown as a magnifying glass. Tap it on mobile or click it on desktop. The search feature is where Pinterest lets you find ideas, boards, and of course, other users. In the search bar, type your friend's name, email address, or username. It's usually best to use their exact Pinterest username if you know it, since that can help narrow the results more quickly. If you search by name, you may see several people with similar profiles, so take your time and look carefully. After entering the search, filter the results so they show profiles. This is an important step because Pinterest may first display pins, products, or boards instead of people. Switching to the profiles filter helps you focus only on user accounts, making it much easier to find the right person. Now, browse through the profile results and select your friend's account to open their profile page. Before following, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that it's the correct person by checking their profile picture, display name, or any public boards they may have. Once you're on the correct profile, tap or click the follow button. As soon as you do that, you'll start following them on Pinterest. That means their public content may begin appearing more often in your feed, and you'll be able to keep up with what they're saving and sharing. If you don't find the right person right away, try searching again using a different detail, like their username instead of their name. Small spelling differences can affect search results, so accuracy helps. And that's all it takes to add friends on Pinterest. Open Pinterest, search for their name, email, or username, switch the results to profiles, open the right account, and hit follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.